if you clicked on this video, then I guarantee you guys that you won't regret. So in this video, I'll show you how you can take advantage of your smartphone's one specific feature which will blow your mind. So without wasting any further ado, let's get into the video. So I'll recommend you to use this feature with YouTube and Instagram because they make a good combo. So if I go to my recent apps, then as you can see I have opened YouTube and Instagram. On YouTube I have chose my favorite song or the song which I want to listen. So now I go back to the recent apps. Now click and hold onto the YouTube and click on the split screen option. So this split screen option is different on different devices. So find out what is the logo for your split screen option on your device. So click on the split screen and from here you can adjust it. As you can see, this is how you can adjust it. Now as you can see, I have also opened Instagram on the recent app which you can see below. So if I click on this Instagram, then it will say app doesn't support split screen, but anyhow it will open. Now click on the tap to return to split screen option. As you can see on top, click on it and play your song. Now it will start playing. Now click on Instagram and enjoy your memes or post which you want to see, and the song will be played in background and you can tap and see the video anytime. As you can see, I clicked here and the video is opened, and if I click on Instagram, then boom, I can see Instagram profiles or Instagram images and memes easily. So this is the coolest feature I ever knew on Android so far. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Do try this trick and let me know in the comment section. Let's meet you all in the next video. Till then, stay safe.